Yo, so I just got the phone call yesterday. Apparently, they've had my panel for like over a week now, but for some reason my phone keeps going to spam even though I have Fun Bike Center's number. So I just got the phone call and my panel is ready for pickup. So that means today the project starts again, where I rebuild my bike. It's gonna be a long one. I have to take off everything. If you guys don't know, I got into an accident 2 months ago with a canyon. Not a canyon, it was more of a low side. It was at 20 miles per hour, so all this just cracked and broke and scuffed it up. So that's gotta get replaced. Everything is new. I bought new ones, so we're good. All this has to come off. This plastic here broke off, so I have to remove all this, disconnect the tack, put the tack back on there with a new bracket. I bought all new hardware as well, just in case, because if you look over here, it's a little dark, I'm sorry. We got those little push buttons, you can't see right there. So that broke off here, so I don't have one there. So whatever new hardware needs to be put on, I have new hardware for it. So we'll be good. It looks like I won't be getting to this little sucker here, but it's a project for some other time. I can do that easily. And I haven't had any issues with electronic. I forgot to order this thing, but good thing eBay had one from somebody that changed them out, so he sent it over to me. Paid like, he sold it really cheap, like 60 bucks for the whole thing, which in reality this is over $300. I don't know how. That was a steal. So I'll see if it works. Frame slider has to be changed out too, so that's gonna be an easy fix. Last but not least, once I remove everything, because all these panels have to come off, everything. So once that comes off, I'll be putting the GB Racing water pump cover right here to protect that as well. Finally arrived at Fun Bike Center. About to go pick up my parts right now. There it is right there, boys. Let's go get it. There we go, all the parts. Got a box of hardware. Yup, this is gonna be a fun little project. I feel like my patience is gonna be tested too, so here goes nothing. This out, this was wedged in there too, next to the frame slider. Chuck it. And I still had some rocky debris. Oh yeah. All this was broken. Look at all that from the frame. The new one comes with a light fixture. I was wondering what this was for, and then I found out. I gotta remove these brackets. They don't come on the new one. And I gotta remove some plastic grommets. We'll rebuild that and then we'll tweak it and put it in. Alright, so I took it all out, took the bottom portion out too. Some foam in here. First things first, this thing is due for a nice cleaning. It's all dirty in here from all the rocks. I'm gonna do a nice thorough cleaning in here, and then start working on the frame slider, get this thing off, put in the new one, and from that point on, I'm gonna start rebuilding that, building it up with those from the ground, and then we'll work from that point on. While I'm here, why not? Let's put this sucker right on there. That didn't even need instructions. It's slapped on. Had to take off this sucker right here, which is already clamped up with this, pull that out. It's these 3 bolts, torqued it down to 90 inch-pounds. All GB Racing bearings on. Hey guys, welcome back. So that was a pretty little time that it took me to complete the bike. Finally completed the build on the Ninja 400, so let's take a look. All right. This is the side that was already installed. Everything was good. So let's start from the bottom all the way to the top. Put the water pump, install this on after taking away every single panel. GB Racing cover, brand new as well. You guys know already the Puge gotta have the green accents along with red, because the bike has red lines, red stripes all around on the Ninja 400. My MGP Hot Bodies levers, they have the red accents as well as the driven revolt bar ends. I do not like this gap. I would like to put some grommet over it so that way it covers it and it doesn't leave that gap, but that's the way I saw the video, the installation video, and that's how it looks like. I'm waiting for the Rizoma style mirrors, with the aerodynamic mirrors. They pretty much slant. You can tilt it so that way it's very aerodynamic on the track, and you don't have to worry about actually like using taping up your mirrors and stuff. So that's a good thing. Those are coming soon, the Rizoma bars mirrors. Installed the Puge Racing windscreen. Got that Puge branding right there. So Puge Racing windscreen now. It's light smoked. As common sense would be, don't ride with dark or tinted windows or mirrors. You guys saw the fork sliders right there. Those were a pretty big hassle for me. Again, bar ends on the driven bar ends, as well as my clutch lever on the MGP hot bodies. Oh, what's this? New panel. Yep, installed it myself. Ready to go. I checked the turn signals, the lights, all the harnesses, they worked. Changed out the frame slider, so that's good to go. I had a little issue with the bolt. The frame is actually a little stripped, but I got it in there. I managed to tighten it in there and keep it within limits, so we're all good. GB cover as well. That still is gonna get replaced with probably some what's this thing called again? Woodcraft. So that'll be different. It'll probably be a GP shift. As for this, like I said, the heel cover, it'll be Light Tech. It'll be carbon fiber. Change this out to carbon fiber as well in the future. Carbon fiber here, because that's the only thing that's scratched up right now. Carbon fiber here. I got the piece right here that has the little piece right here. That's for my backrest. It will not have this. This will all be carbon fiber. I got it on order, so it's getting made, specially designed by ninja400r.com, and it's got a line right here, green line, little green pinstripes right here to match the color of this. Moving on over here, thinking about also putting for carbon fiber pieces. This part right here, the Kawasaki drip pan, thinking about getting rid of it completely and putting on a carbon fiber one, as well as a carbon fiber front tire fender as well. And that will probably be it. And again, of course, for the heel cover, like I said, Light Tech carbon fiber as well. And that pretty much settles it right now for my bike. It is ready to go, ready for it to finally ride again. All right, guys, stay tuned for more content. This was a pretty good project. Found a lot of wood chips, rocks, everything that I encountered during my time riding. So yeah, looking forward to taking the bike back out again on a group trip through the canyons, and my next track day is probably coming up in October. So stay tuned for more, guys. Ares.Reigns out.